Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Infinity Reborn AI Devlog Part 26. I'm developing a sci-fi top-down stealth game in Unreal Engine 5. It's basically for mobiles, but I'm thinking about porting it to PC also. So in this devlog, I will show you that I have worked on the climb system. Three types of climb system I have worked on. One, when the character comes in here and press that interact button, he will climb up the wall using a rope, and in here he will climb up using ladder, and in here he will climb up using pipe. So let me show you. So first of all, I have used collision, and if you notice that, so when the player comes in, that interact button visible gets visible. So when he's out, the interact button is not visible. So simply you have to click on it, and if you are on PC and if you are on mobile, simply you have to touch it, and when you interact it, you will notice that that rope is attached at that end. But yeah, that's the prototype right now, so that end will be not visible in real game. So you simply have to press up button, mean move forward button to go up, and you can also move down. And whenever if you want to quit that rope climb system, simply you have to press that button again, and you will be uh, off the wall. Now again, simply press the button. Yeah, I will work on that interact button also. I will write something here like interact climb, or maybe uh, some any other word to indicate that press it and release a rope. So when the character uh, overlaps with that Boolean box, inside that Boolean box, he will start the climb up animation, like you can see. Like right now, the animations are not very good climb animation, but I'm trying to find some free animation. I think I will get it from the Mixamo. So if you notice that I have these three arrows here. If I click here, that the pink arrow, it indicates from which location our character will start the climbing. And if you go in there, and you will see that bluish arrow, so it will indicate from which location our character will start the wall climb animation, and that is the arrow indicate at what point the character will attach the rope, the other end of the rope. And it is same with all these system. So actually I have made that system first and then duplicate for ladder and pipe, but yeah, I have made some changes here because just like here I have no rope here. I have to use just climb up animation, ladder animation, and pipe animation. So did little changes here as well, but uh, all these systems are pretty much same to each other. So let me show you all three how they are working actually. So you have already seen the working of the rope climb system, and if we go here, and you simply the process is same, interact button, and you'll start using the climb. And yes, when you overlay with that and box collision, you will start the climb. The good thing about it is that I have made a system. If you click here, you can select any mesh here. Like if you want to use a bigger ladder, you can use smaller ladder and a big ladder and even more big ladder. Simply I have to increase the size of that collision and move that collision box up and down to indicate from which location our character will start the wall climb animation. So again, for the pipe animation climb system, simply it's similar to that, but right now he will perform the pipe up climb up animation, and again same thing, overlaps with that box clean, and we will start the climb application. And and one thing I forgot to tell you that just like the rope climb system, you can also quit the ladder climb system. Simply he is going up, and if you press again that interact button, he will quit the rope climb, ladder climb. And for the pipe climb, uh, if you press that button and if you press it again, he will okay, he will quit the climb system. Let me show you again. Yeah, it's working fine. Missions. So actually, I used enum for that to use a different animation. So these are the three blueprint actors. So here, when I interact, so I have selected a climb type: rope climb, ladder, and pipe or none. So this information goes directly to our third person character here. Where it is? Okay, yeah, here. So here we are selecting that what climb type we are going to use, and then in the animation blueprint we are simply getting that interact climb type anim from our third person character from here, and here we are using blend pose. So and depends what uh, enemy is selected, he will perform that animation, and that is for the moving up and down. Let me show you the blend space as well. Let's see for uh, ladder. So for ladder, I have used three animation. Let's say one for moving down, and one for the idle ladder animation, and ladder holding animation, and the third one for the going up animation. So all these animations are taken from the ladder pro mockup animation pack, I think, which was on sale sometime before, I know. So that's a direction. So simply, and that's a -1 and 1, and here uh, I'm getting that value. So when that forward axis value is -1, he will go downwards, and the down animation will start to work. And if it's 0, then definitely it's an idle animation, and if it is uh, forward, let me show you. So let me show you. Let's say I have chosen ladder ladder here, and let's see, I have make the forward axis value to 1, and if I check that wall climb animation to true, now you can see here that let me okay, from where, yeah. So yeah, he is performing ladder climb animation in upper direction with for and if I make it 0, he is in the idle state, and if I make it -1, then he is going downward. And simply that is same for pipe climb. Yeah, you can see. And for 1, he will start to move upwards, and for rope is simply that idle animation, which I think I will change later. I just made it myself inside the Unreal Engine using anim sequence editor, so that will remain idle. So that forward axis value will more indicating that it is moving upward or downward. So I am taking that value from third person movement input simply from here, that if so if I am interacting climb animation, so it is working, then he will move upward and downward depends on the scale value. So and yeah, and it, and the other thing is that widget blueprint. So that is interact, definitely I will change the text here. So simply I have used overlay and that simple button here, so it will only be visible. I have used so that is let me show you for ladder, I think. Okay, so that is a ladder uh, blueprint actor, and that interact button will be hidden in the first when the game starts. So whenever our character and overlaps with that clean box, it will be visible, and when he is out of that collision box, then it will be hidden. So that uh, collision box is this one. Okay, so if we drag, let me show you. So actors in interactable actors, and if I drag that, so it will be simple, something like that. So nothing in his hair, so I have to let me, okay, so okay, so now I have to scale it up, let's say, just like I have scale it and scale that up, and then I have to move that up, and simply I have to click here and select any uh, mesh I want to use. Let's say I want to use ladder, so I can use any ladder from these three ladders. So now, okay, so I have simply rotated now. So now the ladder system is there, and you simply have to go there, and it will not work straight away like that because that collision box is okay. Okay, let mm, yeah. Okay, so instead of that ladder, I think I have to choose a bigger ladder here. Yeah, that one. Okay. So let me show you simply. Simply he will go there. I have to make that uh, bigger more. So now, yeah, it will be fine now. So simply interact button, and he will start to move up because it is stuck here, because he is stuck here because I have to move it a bit up, and the, also, and that is yeah, now you can see that we can climb up and down easily. So this is a simple setup, I think so. But uh, so it's a generic climb system I have worked on. So it can be used for any type of climb system, just like ladder, pipe, or something else also. So I've been working on this game from last 2 years, but it doesn't mean I have working full time on this game from last 2 years. But yeah, because I am busy with game development freelancing also. So I do projects and freelancing projects, and also I make Unreal Engine 5 tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can check it out also. So I have planned this game to release this year on mobiles, and also for PC maybe. I will think about it, but definitely it's mainly for mobiles right now. So it will be low poly graphics, stylized graphics. I am using, I will use, I think I will use 3D polygon assets and some Eldamore Studio low poly assets. And I think I will also use Animpic Studio assets as well. So definitely I'm not a level designer, but I will try my best to make them, or maybe um, I will hide some level designer, but I don't think I can afford it. But yeah, this is the current update on my game. So I hope you will follow during my development journey. So if you have any suggestion about the system I made, please write in the comments. If you think I can improve the climb system further, or I have to use some other way to work on it rather than it. So you can also give your suggestions in comments, and thank you for watching. So definitely we'll be back with another devlog soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.